Hi all, welcome to Sunita's Food Blog YouTube channel. Hi all, today I'm going to make goat biryani. For that, the first step, boil goat. For boiling method, I have ajwain or celery seeds, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon coriander or parsley, half onion or medium small onion finely cut, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon biryani masala powder, 2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. For pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. I'm going to add onion, the salt. Let the onion cook for 2 minutes. The onion becomes light brown. At this stage, I'm going to add rest of the masala. First, I'll add celery seeds or ajwain seeds. Let it cook a half a minute. After half minute, all the masala goes in, including turmeric powder, biryani masala, not garam masala. It's a biryani masala. Stir all masala in. Now add goat. Add meat. Coat goat meat with masala. Cover with lid. Now at the 10-minute mark, check on the meat again. Just half a cup of water. See, after 10 minutes, the goat has released water. You need to add hot water. So I added 1 cup of hot water. And now I'm going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. Cover with lid. After 15 minutes, I'm taking the lid off and checking on the meat. Looks like meat is nicely tender. So now we are going to do the rice for biryani. For that, I have washed rice in water and drain the water out and put it in a strainer. We are taking, this is the masala, garam masala, cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, shahi jeera or black cumin, and bay leaves. We are going to fry the rice first. For that, I will have 1 pan ready. I put the water on medium high heat while frying the rice till that water will boil, and then parboil the rice, and we will again drain the water and keep the rice ready for the biryani. Take 1 bowl, take half cup of milk, warm the milk and add half teaspoon of saffron strands to it. Give it a stir and keep this saffron milk ready. Take 1 pan, add tablespoon of oil, then add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now add all the spices. I had taken 8 cups of rice. Now we will add our rice to toast the rice. While water is boiling, till that time we'll toast our rice. Toast the rice for like 3 to 4 minutes. And once the water boils, we'll add this toasted rice to boiling water. So all the rice, toasted rice went in the boiling water. We'll boil the rice for about 2 minutes. Turn the rice. See, the rice is dancing in the water. This is how it's supposed to be. So we are going to take the rice off of the heat, turn off the heat, and then drain the water like this. Take one strainer and then put the rice in another strainer. Drain all the water from the rice. So I took a pan and took 1 cup of oil in it. Oil is heated nicely, and then now we are this is 2 large onions cut slices. Take that much time. So put the onions in oil. So at this stage, take the onions out. So this is our last batch of onion, nicely golden brown. Take it off the heat, put it in a separate plate. Now we are going to fry chilies also. Fry chilies lightly, green chilies. Now take it off. Toast mint leaves as well. Take the mint leaves off of the fish, and then keep all the things aside. Now in the same pot, add a little bit more oil. Take one and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Then add half the fried onion, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic coriander paste, fry ginger garlic paste for 1 minute. And this is the 3 tablespoons of biryani masala. I have homemade this biryani masala. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Once garlic and ginger is cooked, we'll add all the masala. Garlic and ginger is cooked, we'll add our biryani masala. Add a little bit of water so masala won't burn. Let the masala cook for another 2 minutes. We'll check on if we need any salt. Half the green chilies and half of the mint leaves, golden fried onions. Coat meat stock and let the masala cook in it. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Nicely coat the pot. After coating the pot with ghee, add biryani masala, goat at the bottom, along with the gravy. Low medium heat as much as possible. More gravy at the bottom. Then take hard-boiled rice and add it to a biryani masala goat. Then add goat along with the curry. This is our second layer of meat. Now add second layer of rice. Add the third layer of biryani goat masala. Third layer of rice. Last layer of rice is going in. Add this milk and saffron to the rice. Add mint leaves. Add 1/4 cups of water to have the biryani nice dum. Cover the pot with lid, and I'm going to cover this hole also with a little bit in aluminum foil. So now let the biryani have dum for 5 minutes on medium heat and then 10 minutes on tawa. I have covered the edges of the pot with tin foil that heat will not escape. So you see these water droplets on the cover. So after 10 minutes, take like this pan if you have the heavy bottom, and then we will put this biryani pot on for last 10 minutes on this tawa here, and we'll put the heat on low, medium, high, and then move biryani pot to tawa